Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. How can you ensure that your parental rights are protected during the divorce? So what does that question really mean? Well, what it means is you've got certain rights to see your kids. Both parties are presumed in the marriage to have a right to participate in the parenting of the children. If one person is trampling upon the rights of the other person, then the court has to intervene. So what can you do to protect, to make sure that that doesn't happen? Well, number one, don't create a loosey-goosey parenting time thing because you don't want to get the judge involved because you think it'll tick off your ex and you can catch more flies with honey. All those cliches are not going to help you if you can't see your kids. Catch more flies than honey? At the end of the day, you know what you got? A lot of flies. You don't need that. What you have to do is set up a parenting time schedule. You reach out to your attorney, if need be, your attorney coordinates with the other attorney, and we come up with a temporary plan. The temporary plan may be alternating weekends, alternating holidays, 1 week on, 1 week off, 5 days, 2 days, and then the other one 2 days, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days, however you want to work it out. You get that plan going in the beginning of your divorce. Get that plan going before you have to negotiate all the other things. Because you may find that once you start negotiating property settlement and debt and asset allocation, all that, you may find it more difficult to do that if in the heels of all that you're working on parenting time issues. Try to get the parenting time out of the way if you can. You may not be able to right off the bat, but if you can, try to set up a schedule of parenting time where it's clear, dad has the kids this time, mom has the kids that time, and follow it. Follow it religiously. Don't deviate from it. Don't try to make exceptions, because as soon as you start to say to the dad, okay, well, I'll tell you what, it's my weekend, but you can have the child, but then you give me this. Once you start horse trading, remember what's going to happen. The entire integrity of that agreement is going to begin to unravel. And when you need it, you won't be able to use it because you're going to say, Judge, this is our agreement. And they're going to say, what do you mean it's our agreement? You gave me the kids last week. You gave me the kids on your dad. You're not following this agreement. Why should we follow it now? And that's what's going to happen. So you want to avoid that. So my recommendation is, if possible, work out the parenting time schedule in the beginning of the divorce, follow it as religiously as it can be followed through the divorce, ultimately resulting in the final order of the court with the final parenting time schedule. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.